This is Mr. Logo 134. Jailbreak Me 3.0 is now out. As you can see on my iPod Touch, it is now out. And you see Jailbreak Me. Here, I'll show you how to do it. Okay? Start a new page. Go to this one. Just type in Jailbreak Me. Just type in jail and then just go boom. There it is. And then first one. And it should get you to here. So thank you for watching, and comment below for all my other videos, okay? Bye.